Good day. Today I'd like to present to you a geological investigation desktop. My name is Sbongson David Kanyile. This presents the results of a geological investigation and soil evaluation of the proposed road construction projects in Bizan local municipality. The name of the road is R522. Scope of works. For scope of works, it includes a desktop study of a geotechnical nature of the region for a proposed development, occupational health and safety, identification of a possible problem solves, and listing measures that can be implemented in the design of the road to address the problem solves. Now we're going to look at the proposed new road. The starting point is near the R61, which is where the road starts, which is point A, and crosses the river at point B, and the last point is point C. Now we're going to look at the climatic and topographic of the new proposed road. The road alignment is located in the area where a value of WNET 2 is between 2 and 5. As you can see on figure 2, the area is therefore described as moderate region. Now we're going to move to topographic, where we see that the road alignment varies between 75 meters and 175 meters above the sea level. That is due to the Mzamba River, which is near the bridge. Now we're going to look at the laboratory testing. There are 8 types of testing that can be done, which is the particle size, density and moisture, CPR, and also moisture content. We also have to look at the occupational health and safety, which is plays a very important role in terms of our investigation. And now we're going to look at hydrology investigation, which is the groundwater, and also estimated a volume of flow in the groundwater is grouped under the low formation characterized. Now we're going to look at the hydrology investigation. This is the criteria for drainage design are to be implemented according to the guidelines for human settlement design guideline and also the SANRAL drainage manual. Identification of geology. We have identified different types of stones where the proposed road is located. As you can see in figure 8, that the geological history of the Mbizana local municipalities is the period magnetic activity around 114 million years ago, after which a deposition of Natal sandstone and also the regional geological map, which is you can see on figure 8, which indicate the study area falls in the Natal Metufuk province. Now we're going to look at the problem solved that we experience, which is these four types of, which is the 4 types of salt that I've mentioned below. And also should such salt be encountered, the following measures can be taken into the design of the road, which is to, during the design of the road or structure, it's important to analyze the geotechnical situation and also identify the main reason why deformation can occur. We have identified two borrow pits which will abstract the material from in order to substitute with the problem solve that we have identified. Now we're going to look at the environmental consideration, which is the most important role in terms of analyzing or doing the investigation of the site. What we have discovered is that we need to improve the environmental design, ensuring that the resources are used appropriate, identification of the appropriate measures to mitigate the potential impacts of the proposal, borrow pit approvals. Now let's look at the recommendation on the slope stability investigation, which is we're going to look at the three types of stability investigation, which is geometrical technique, chemical and mechanical technique, and also slope stabilization using the chemical and mechanical technique can be achieved. Recommendation and conclusion. Now we're going to look at how we're going to solve what we have discovered during our investigation, which is the significant problem of the soils that we spotted, groundwater, which is anticipated, and also moderate slopes, which is isolated. Thank you.